Let's break down how to transfer your US mobile eSIM to a new phone, covering both iPhones and Android devices as of September 2025. An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a digital SIM card built into your phone. Transferring it moves your mobile plan to a new device without needing a physical SIM. For iPhones with iOS 18.1, eSIM transfers are streamlined via iCloud synchronization, largely eliminating carrier involvement. Android devices, especially Google Pixel 9 and later, support transfers through the Google Wallet app, although carrier support is vital. Major U.S. carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile are expanding eSIM compatibility, with T-Mobile fully enabling transfers for compatible devices by mid-2025. While about 70% of U.S. smartphone users are on eSIM-capable devices, not all prepaid plans or MVNOs support transfers. Cross-platform transfers often require deactivation and reactivation, and international U.S. eSIM transfers to EU devices are possible under updated roaming regulations. Here's a step-by-step guide to transferring your eSIM. First, back up your data on the old device. Second, contact your carrier to confirm eligibility and get a transfer code or QR code. Third, on your new device, install the eSIM via Settings. On iPhones, go to Settings, then Cellular, then Add eSIM. Fourth, activate and test connectivity. Trends show increasing eSIM adoption driven by 5G and IoT, with a 40% year-over-year rise in 2025. Cross-platform transfers are emerging via pilot programs. Full interoperability is expected by 2027. Future eSIM integration with blockchain for secure profile sharing is being tested. By 2030, eSIMs may replace physical SIMs entirely, enabling instant device switches. Keep in mind data privacy concerns, such as carrier tracking, and potential resistance from prepaid carriers.